Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam kama kutiba alal lazina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. According to this verse, the purpose of a siyam or fasting is taqwa. The word as-sawm literally means abstinence and is usually translated as fasting. It is actually a practice of self-control and self-discipline to enhance our capacity to guard against evil and bad deeds and to perform more upright and good deeds. There are different aspects of taqwa, and the two major aspects of taqwa are number one, to guard against evil and bad deeds, and number two, to perform more upright and good deeds. And fasting, which is abstinence, is actually a practice of self control and self discipline. And this practice of self-control and self-discipline enhances our taqwa. In other words, it enhances our capacity to guard against evil and bad deeds and to perform more upright and good deeds. So if at the end of the month of fasting, our capacity to guard against evil and bad deeds increases and our capacity to perform more upright and good deeds increases, then we can say that the purpose of fasting has been achieved. وما علينا إلا البلاغ.